Hey everybody, and welcome back to Muda Production. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my curry chicken, long overdue video. So I'm going to start with seasoning. You guys have seen me in the previous video where I cleaned the chicken, the video from how you prep the roast beef. So go back and check that out. And today I'm going to be seasoning the chicken. So I'm going to start with some all-purpose seasoning. You can use any brand you want. I don't measure my seasoning. I'm doing this for a long time, so some just me estimate. I can guesstimate. 99.9% of the times me get it right, but I'd say about a tablespoon and a half of the all-purpose seasoning. This is 4 chicken quarters. So I'd say that's about the amount we use. But when you can season and taste, Season and taste as you go. That's the best way to do it if you are new to the game of seasoning. Like I say, I've been doing this for a minute, so I know exactly how much me need. And I'm usually 99.9% of the time right. So this is garlic salt. It's salt, as it says, with garlic flavor. So you have to be careful because it might be a little too salty for you. Measure out your thing, start with a little bit and taste as you go. That's how my mother teach me how to do it. You tip your finger in there and you put your finger on your tongue and taste if it need more salt or whatever is needed. And you take a little time and keep going till you accomplish the type of flavor and the amount of salt and pepper that you want in your thing. So me I hit it now with some other seasoning. Me watch the salt. So me like buy products where have, less salt in it. And, to each his own. And then now, me I go add flavor on top of flavor. Garlic powder is a must. Any type of garlic, whether you want to go with the granulated garlic powder or the fresh garlic. Garlic is a must in your meat. And garlic is good for you, Garlic good for hypertension. So for all of you out there who are watching this video, remember that. Yes, guys. So here I'm going to add some more seasoning. I'm not promoting any product. That's why I have to hide the names of stuff because I don't want to anybody to claim anything on my videos. And I added some curry powder and black pepper after that and season up the thing to make it taste good. And just you have to just know where you want to put on your thing. You understand? You season it up, make it taste good. That's all we're doing. Use your type of seasoning, season it up. When me I show it's just the authentic thing that we normally use. Or you can put your thing on it and season it up nicely. Okay, my beautiful people, now we're back and here's the seasoned curry chicken. I don't know why the chicken looking like that on camera, but believe me, people, there is curry on there, lots and lots of curry powder. So now, here is the seasoning: garlic, a sprig of thyme, fresh thyme, scallion, green onions as we know it, regular onion, white onion, and some yellow and green bell pepper, another piece of onion, and some hot pepper. And I'm gonna cut these up. See the hot pepper? Well, if I see the night, but me not gonna use all night. It's just a piece me did have left. And I'm going to put this on the chicken and layer this chicken, this curry chicken, with flavors. So this come out tasting really nice. So We're going to cut these up and we're going to go from there. All right, my beautiful people. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that curry chicken, man. So all I did was added like 3 tablespoons of oil and just throwing everything, seasoning, the chicken, everything all in there and cover it up and let it start creating its own liquid. See all that liquid that it created all by itself? I had it covered up for maybe like about 15 minutes now and look at all that liquid it created. 3 tablespoons of oil when the pot got hot and throw everybody in and there you go. Okay guys, so here we are. Let's check on these plantains. See, these plantains wasn't fully ripe like I wanted them. I mean, I had them for a little while and I didn't want to leave them out in the fruit basket for them to get ripe too quick. But they're still not exactly ripe to how I want them to be. See that? I mean, they're okay, but they're not okay as how plants supposed to ripe and, be good like that. But anyway, I have to make do with this. So they're frying. I don't want to put too much oil in the pot, in the pan to fry them. They're frying on low. I have it on low, right? And while that's going, here's the curry chicken. It's going. It still has a ways to go because the water, I need the water to boil down. It's soon done, it probably cook already. We just need to reduce some of this liquid out of it. But that's pretty much it. Seasoned it. Put a little oil in the pot, and maybe about what would I say? Maybe 3 tablespoons. I usually go with 3 tablespoons, and this is about 4 chicken quarters. Yeah, you saw in the first video where I cut the chicken quarters and clean them, and this is part 2 where I season it and now cooking it down as curry chicken. All right, so that has a little while to go just for the liquid to reduce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crank the heat up a little bit just to get just to reduce some of that heat. So I'm going to put it on high, so I have to watch it very closely. This is the rice. I think the rice is ready. Wow. Let's check on the rice. I think the rice is ready. Let me get the fork for that. Okay. I think the rice is ready, man. See? Nice and fluffy. Look at that. I added a little more water, as you saw earlier. And make sure it's steamed through. The heat getting my hand, I can't get in too close with the camera, it's fogging up the lens. But as you can see, the grains are cooked. Look at that. Compared to how it was before, you see them soft and fluffy. The grains are cooked. See see that? Nice, yeah? All right, let's check on the chicken. Wow, look at that curry chicken. Man, oh man, just let the water reduce down and the gravy will form and you're good to go. Jamaican curry chicken.